If Microsoft Edge is showing a 404 error, don't worry. In most cases, it simply means the web page address has changed, the page has been moved, or the page was deleted. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right now to get the site loading again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and let's jump right in. First, it's important to understand what a 404 error actually means. A 404 page not found message usually does not mean Microsoft Edge is broken. It usually means the website itself is returning an error because the page no longer exists at that address. So before you assume there's a major browser problem, double check the website URL if you typed it manually. A small typo, extra slash, missing letter, or outdated bookmark can easily cause this message. Now let's move on to the first fix. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three dot menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Privacy, Searches, and Services. Then scroll down until you find the option to clear browsing data. Click on Choose what to clear. This is where you can remove old cookies and cached files that may be interfering with how the site loads. When the clearing window opens, make sure to select cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. These two items are the most important for this issue because they can store outdated website information. You can leave your passwords and autofill data alone unless you specifically want to remove them too. After selecting the right options, choose the time range. If you want to do a full cleanup, select all time, then click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to finish. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen Microsoft Edge. Now try visiting the website again. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache is enough to fix strange loading problems, redirect issues, and outdated page errors. If the site still shows 404, that could mean the web page is genuinely no longer available, or the link is pointing to an old location. If that happens, the next thing to try is opening the site in a private window. To do that in Microsoft Edge, click the three dot menu again and choose New in Private Window. A private window starts fresh without using your normal browsing cache and cookies, so it's a great way to test whether the problem is caused by saved browser data. Now paste the website address into the private window and press Enter. If the page loads here but not in your normal window, then the issue is likely tied to your saved cookies or cache. If it still shows the same 404 error, then the website itself may be down, moved, or removed, and there may not be anything you need to fix inside Edge. If the website is important, try searching for it directly on Google or Bing to see whether there is a newer link or updated page. Sometimes a company changes its web address, moves a support page, or replaces an old article with a new one. In that case, the problem is not your browser, it's just an outdated link. You can also try refreshing the page once, or copying the URL and pasting it carefully into the address bar again. If you save the site as a bookmark, delete the old bookmark and create a new one from the correct page once you find it. That can help prevent the same 404 issue from happening again later. So to quickly recap, if Microsoft Edge is showing error 404, first understand that it usually means the web page is missing or has moved. Then clear cookies and cache from the browsing data menu. And finally test the site in a private window to see whether the issue is caused by stored browser data. These simple steps solve the problem in many cases and take just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.